either military police or police. Dalawang talaga taga-gobyerno araw-araw namamatay in the drive against the drug industry. Nandito ako kasi gusto ko suportahan, makita ko sa mga police that they have my support. And tutulong ako sa kanila whatever it is. I would like to assure everybody and the police and the law enforcement and all that sa trabaho nila, if they are charged or get into trouble in the performance of their duties, they can hold me responsible. I will assume all legal and official whatever responsibility of their actions. Yun lang yung sa trabaho nila. In the fulfillment or in the exercise of their duties as the security officers of this country. They have my 101 support, and I take full responsibility for the things that they would do in obedience to my order. So may protection yan sila at hindi ako papayag na may makulong na police o military just because they are doing their duty. Yan ang maasahan nila sa amin. And I am just thinking that kung hindi ako naging presidente, then we would never known the widespread and the dimensions of the addiction of 3,700,000 people in this country. Alam mo, pag hindi ako, if I cannot interdict or stop this industry, then I would have compromised the next generation, yung mga anak nila. Delikado na. Then we will become a failed state. So pagka ganon, kawawa naman yung Pilipino. So despite or in spite of the criticisms heard against me, whether totoo man o hindi, basta itong away sa droga, akin to personal. At sinasabi ko time and again, that I put at stake my honor, my life, and the presidency itself. Kadin dyan, kaya kong bitawan. I mean, yung president. I am not keen on remaining there even. As a matter of fact, if they can hurry up the federal system in 3 years, kung gusto nila, pag meron na ready na, I will resign para to give way to the federal system of government. But this time, I have this problem of the drug industry growing bigger and bigger. Had it been that kung yun ang isang na presidente, yung isang general doon sa police, yun ang military ay yung police aid niya. So paano mangyari ngayon? And even kung iba ang nanalo sa amin, kaya nilang harap-harapan mag-utos ng paano utosan ko talaga. Hindi na kailangan sabihin, alam nila kung kailan pumatay legally, kailan. Para sa akin, seek them out and destroy them. My order is not just yung impunity police action. This is a war. This is a crisis that faces the government. Eye to eyeball dito. It stares at us talagang scary. Kaya ako, kung baski yan lang naman ang magawa ko, okay na ako. But this drug industry and these idiots must stop, or else they will die. Wala akong magawa sa kanila. Kita naman niyo yung mga pulis. Everyday yan, ba't isaan? May namatayan ng pulis. Kaya I'm here to underscore my concern of the Filipino. Sabi ko, makukompromise ang next generation nito. Hindi ito nadadala ng counting ng 1,106 bodies of carcass there. Patay na yung tao, patay is carcass. Hindi mo, nagbibilang sila ng patay. Ang masakit dito, binibilang ang patay ng mga gangster na may kasalanan sa society. Yung mga pulis, patay na, hindi naman nila nabibigyan. Hindi nga nila mabigyan yung tao, bata na pinutulan ng ulo. I have not heard anybody from the human rights. You consider bigotry. Gusto lang talaga ako titirahin. Ay, hindi ako maniwala sa kanila. I was not elected president of what? UN? No. I was elected by my countrymen dito. At tatrabahuhin ko ito. Ang mga anak ninyo, sa Maynila, kaya na yung mag-aral, hindi ka makalakad. They have stolen the right of these citizens na pagkagabi, hindi sila makalakad, takot sila. Ano ba naman? Nandyan sa hold up, druga. Pagdating ng bahay mo, may patay dyan, druga. At pinupulutan ng ulo nanay niya, druga. And yet, this idiot in human rights kept on including this dilemma. Hindi na niya na serialize na nga yung ano na eh. If I were dilemma, ladies and gentlemen, I'll hang myself. Your life is being, hindi lang life, the innermost of your core as a female is being serialized every day. Dapat ka mag-resign ka. You resign. Pinapakita na yan, you resign. Wala ka ng mukha. Pakita mo sa mga babae. Follow me. Sabihin mo. This is how to be a woman of the world. Mahirap. Noon, mayor ako, sabi niya, will prove that Duterte is the leader of the DDS. Sinabi ko, what is DDS? Davao Development System. Why do you have to interpret it the wrong way? Sino ba bang gusto pumatay ng kapwa ko? You think it's very easy to kill a fellow human being? You build a nation over the bones of your countrymen? Pero I have to save, I said, this generation. Otherwise, compromise na ang society natin bukas. No good anymore. Masyado malawak, by the millions. So, the previous, what? They allowed it to bloom. Iniisip mo ngayon, nandito ka, taga Maynila ka. What do you think? What do I think? I read your mind. Iniisip mo, pamilya mo, kung walang gagawa ng masama, akyatin ka ng bahay. Noon, gabi mo umakyat, ngayon harap-harapan. Tapos, patay, rape, that easy. Ugat ng liog, that easy. There's no report galing ng human rights. Even to condole and commiserate with the... Kaya pero ako, let me just also insert one little natin. I won in Tacloban, so maraming salamat sa inyo. At least, kung ako kasi hindi kayo nagkamali. Hanap ng killer.